What do you do in the mornings?
Well, I get up at about 5:30 in the mornings and get ready for work. When I get to my workplace, I start working and it's around 8:30 in the morning. At weekends, I just sleep in the mornings.
Is breakfast important?
For me, it's really important because I can't really do anything if I don't eat breakfast. It gives me enough energy for a day and keeps me awake.
What is your morning routine?
Every day, I wake up at about 6:30 a.m. and have breakfast. Then I leave my house at around 7:30 in the morning. When I get to my office, I start working straight away.
Do you like to get up early in the morning?
I don't, but I always do it. It feels kind of nice as the day feels longer, so I can do a lot of things if I wake up early. But still, I feel quite tired when I get up early in the mornings. Well, one of my favorite buildings is the Shard in London, England. I used to visit neighboring towns to see that building and took loads of pictures of it. It's divided into different sections. There are some restaurants on the first few floors, hotels and residential areas in the middle sections, and also an observatory on the top floors. It's a 72-story building, and it narrows down in size towards the top. As it's the tallest building in London, it actually stands out in the surrounding. Also, it looks stunning when it's lightened up at night. Well, I like this building because I love its observatory. Like I said, at the top, a floor is used as an observatory and there, I can see the scenery of London. I love seeing views of cities, so whenever I go somewhere, I always go to observatories, but this one was the best. I used to spend lots of time there. Also, it looks really cool. I always went across the River Thames to see the Shard as it looked fabulous. Especially at night, it looked really sparkly with lots of lights. I absolutely loved it. I wish I could go there again.
Is it important to preserve old buildings?
I think so. Mostly those are valuable for a nation's culture and history. Especially old palaces or birthplaces should definitely be preserved in order to pass on customs and cultures to future generations.
What aspect of culture do old buildings reflect?
Probably architecture style of the past, I guess. They are surely different to ones in modern society, so people can have a glance on how they were built. It also reflects the life habits of people in the past. The buildings were built for different purposes which meet people's needs. So modern people can have a look at their lifestyle.
Would you say buildings in the past were better than those of today, or those of today are better than those in the past?
I think modern buildings are better because I believe they are safer. Also, they can be used for various purposes according to its design, functions, and so on. And those ones built in these days are usually cleaner.
Do you think it's worth the money to preserve old buildings?
If those are historically valuable or a heritage of a nation, yes. But I believe residences should be replaced with new ones for safety.
How have buildings changed in the past few years?
Well, the buildings became taller and normally bigger than the ones in the past. Also, one building is used for various functions. Some buildings can be used for residences, shopping centers, and offices simultaneously.